Every fossil begins, not in stone, but as an idea. This Tyrannosaurus rex was first designed digitally, bone by bone. Layer by layer, it was brought into the physical world through 3D printing. Each detail was then hand-painted, adding age, texture, and the marks of time. Finally, the fossil was sealed in epoxy resin, preserving it forever. This creature once ruled the earth over 65 million years ago. Today, it exists again as a miniature fossil, frozen in time.